The Smart Kitchen Revolution. 2025 Trends You Need to Know. In 2025, the concept of the kitchen has transformed from a purely functional space into a dynamic hub of innovation, sustainability, and design. One of the most exciting trends sweeping through homes is the rise of the smart kitchen, a space where technology and convenience blend seamlessly. Voice-controlled appliances, AI-driven recipe assistants, and connected devices now help home cooks save time, reduce waste, and create restaurant-quality meals. Smart fridges can monitor their own contents, suggest recipes based on what's inside, and even place grocery orders when supplies run low. Meanwhile, precision cookers and smart ovens ensure that every dish is cooked to perfection, using sensors and algorithms to adjust temperature and timing automatically. This integration of cutting-edge tech is not just for gadget lovers. It's reshaping how everyone approaches daily cooking and food management. Sustainability has become a cornerstone of modern kitchen design. As climate concerns grow, homeowners are prioritizing eco-friendly materials, energy-efficient appliances, and waste-reducing systems. In 2025, induction cooktops continue to gain popularity because they consume significantly less energy compared to gas or electric coils. Smart dishwashers and water-saving taps help conserve precious resources, while composting systems and zero-waste storage solutions are becoming standard features. Many kitchens now incorporate recycled or upcycled materials in cabinetry and countertops, creating stylish yet sustainable interiors. The trend toward plant-based cooking is also influencing how kitchens are stocked, with more households dedicating space to fresh herbs, indoor gardens, or even hydroponic systems. These innovations not only reduce environmental impact, but also promote healthier living. The aesthetics of the kitchen in 2025 reflect a shift toward multifunctionality and personalization. Open concept layouts, flexible furniture, and modular islands allow the kitchen to double as a workspace, entertainment zone, or even a wellness corner. Materials like smart glass, which can switch from transparent to opaque at the touch of a button, are making kitchens more adaptable. Color trends are leaning toward calming, nature-inspired tones. Think soft greens, earthy browns, and muted blues to create a sense of serenity in a busy household. Smart lighting systems adjust color temperature based on the time of day, supporting circadian rhythms and enhancing mood. Personalization extends to the digital realm as well, with AI-enabled assistants learning user preferences and offering tailored suggestions, whether it's for meal planning, grocery shopping, or energy management. Looking ahead, the social role of the kitchen continues to evolve. Far from being an isolated cooking space, the 2025 kitchen is designed for connection and interaction. Integrated screens and holographic projectors allow for virtual cooking classes, remote family dinners, or collaborative recipe experiments with friends across the globe. As more people embrace hybrid work models, the kitchen has become a central hub where cooking, working, and socializing intersect. Smart speakers and audio systems keep the atmosphere lively, streaming podcasts, playlists, or real-time news updates. With the help of AR, augmented reality, home cooks can overlay instructions or nutritional data directly onto their countertops or cutting boards. This blend of community, entertainment, and innovation makes the kitchen not just the heart of the home, but a space where technology enhances human connection.